Today is 4th of February and the first Bank Nifty expiry on the February month, and this is also first expiry post our budget session. So as you know, post budget the market is moving anything from starting from Monday on the budget day onwards, where it had moved around 2500 points. From then we are not even seeing some negative scenarios. Even the market is having a proper breakout scenarios or something. Also we are not having a position where we can get very good profits. Today almost I have tried to find a breakout, and then in the morning we have a proper breakout, then we have shorted some CE, and then try to book some good profits today. So but in the 1 hour itself, by 10:15 or sometime the market have reversed again. In the morning it was supposed to be 40,000 plus profit, but at the end of the day it was near to 30,000. I made only profit about 29,000 today, but fortunately I have taken down the positions because of trailing stop loss. Those stop losses got hit, and nearly 10,000 I have to take down that profit from 40,000, and ended up nearly 29,000. Let me tell you why and what happened in the market today. Let us go through the Bank Nifty chart, and let us see what was my view when I was taking the positions and how it actually crabbed up in the opposite direction. Okay, this is the 5 minutes time frame for the Bank Nifty, and morning before the market session I have actually did not trade much these 2 days, because market is not having opportunity or the proper breakouts which are not giving up. Every time I see a breakout, but the market is getting reversed, so I was not that good in taking those trades. I don't wanted to take those trades actually, and so I have waited for today to have a proper breakout. Today if you find in the morning session, the morning yesterday itself, I have found that there is a possibility that it will break down. See, this is the proper area, it is going in the trend, and I thought if this breaks up, if it is going below this, then definitely I can short some CE around this levels 34,800 CE. I thought of shorting, and I have done that. When I have done, I have seen a good red candle, and there is a retracement in the first candle, first 5 minutes candle. Then I have shorted CE around what we say, I have taken two positions, 35,000 and 34,500 and 34,600 positions I have shorted. Then the market going in my direction for a long way, nearly up to 10:45 or 11, the market did not show any behavioral movement like it will go up. So at around 10:45 levels, the market is sustaining in this portion, and I thought if the market goes down, if this barrier is breaked, I will get around very good profit, nearly 100 rupees premium. Still it has to be eaten, even 60 rupees or sometime it got eaten also, maybe I would have get good profit. But the thing is that we have exactly got this breakout, a proper breakout today, and it had taken the reverse direction. But still I was waiting with the stop losses, trailing stop losses around 20 to 30 points. I was making trailing stop losses. I was at least thinking this point will be having a proper resistance, but here also it had a proper breakout, and it went little down again. It got moving up, so it is completely acted as a buyer's zone. So even as you know, yesterday's whatever the closing prices, this will also act very good like a resistance. But today in the market, maybe because of SBI Bank have posted some good results, and they have even said that NPAs were down, like non-performing assets are not that more when compared to the previous quarter results. So the Bank Nifty have kicked up, and it is almost going all the way high. If we say 1 day time frame, yesterday we have seen that there is a good buyer's zone. So this is the time frame which we have for 1 day, and if you are seeing zooming in and seeing this entire region, Like yesterday it was having a very good pin bar candle. So this is a quite of rejection zone for this point. So this entire point have acted as complete support for this today's bank nifty and have kicked up. So once we have a breakout from here, there is no stopping from the bank nifty. So it's a very good trade, but thing is that if you see my trade which will be playing now, you can see that I have made near to 40,000 of profit, but nothing to say wrong. Like the bank nifty have reversed the position like quite well, and it had given a breakout and it moved like anything. So as per me, like next week also we have to wait. When this proper breakout happens, also take try to take little positions. Don't go very with a huge quantities. Maybe the market wanted to retest to little down. Maybe we can find that up to here the market may have a small pullback. It can have a small pullback and then go back again. So what's my view for the next week is just wait for some action, price action, and then only take the trades. Even if you see a proper breakout, enter in the small portions, because from 2-3 days we are having a breakout, but it is reversing up. So in the coming days maybe we can see a sideways market. If you are seeing this somewhere, we can have a proper sideways market. The market can go in this way itself. Let's see. If we have a breakout, maybe it can retest to the previous positions of 33,200, but we have to wait. It may even break out in the upside direction or downside direction, but because the market have very good movement, at least 33,200 little if it is testing, then again we have an opportunity to look higher ranges. So that's it guys. Hope this video is liked by you. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.